it out. We got Zoey with us today. She's coming along for the ride. She's an old girl now. She sleeps a lot. Yeah, so today we're going to be working on a 1996 Sea-Doo Gti, and I put a new pump in that thing a couple weeks ago. Just ran out of time. Battery had exploded because the actual machine was left out all winter, not winterized. Pulled the plugs out, and there was water in the engine. So big question marks today as to whether or not this machine is going to be pooched. But we're going to find out. If I can get her going, we're going to toss her in the water and have some fun. I got a brand new battery. We're locked and loaded. It's actually kind of a cool experiment too, because I've always wondered what would happen if I just left my jet ski outside all winter in Canada, which, I don't know, for my American viewers is not a very good idea. It goes down to minus 30, minus 40, and yeah, so kind of an interesting experiment. We'll see. The battery definitely didn't survive the winter. She gone. She gone. She done. That interests you, stick around.
Do you see this?
No. A lot of development going on up here in the Ottawa region. Economically booming, I guess you would say. Me and Jayla are going to contribute. We're just about to contribute to this economic growth by visiting IGA and picking up a chicken kit. Chicken kit. Is that what you call it? Chicken kit?
What's a chicken kit?
You know, you get the chicken strips with the wedge fry.
I don't know.
It's usually about $6. Got to keep it economically competitive here on UOttawaScotty YouTube's channel. And we have arrived in Ottawa. She's a cool mistress. Here's the Prime Minister's house right here. Look at that.
Actually?
Yeah, that's where Justin Trudeau lives.
That's where he's supposed to live.
Oh.
Nobody lives there.
Yeah. Probably lives underground in a bunker with a private hairstylist. This is a nice view. Yeah, there you go. Ottawa River is actually really awesome for sea doing. There's a lot of big boats going by all the time, and it's fun to play in the wake. So yeah, it's actually kind of cool. Where are they? Oh, look at all the horses. Those are all the RCMP horses.
It's so cool. I've never seen them out.
Yeah, I've never seen them out before. That's cool. Awesome. Here we are on the Ottawa River at Ray and Nicole's house. Way up there, and just a beauty spot down here for sea-doing, jet skiing. It's just absolutely ideal. Got the tractor down here with all my tools. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Here's the machine. I rebuilt the pump on this one last year. We just didn't have. It was right at the end of the season. Didn't have a chance to get it in the water, but we got her in. She runs great, so take her out for a little bit of a rip today, and then this one's going to need a lot of work. We haven't had a whole lot of Polaris stuff on this channel, so excited to get to work on this. But yeah, she's a rough old girl. Got some rough skis here. This unit wasn't winterized, so it's going to be a good experiment here. I bought two brand new EverStart batteries. These are aluminum glass matte batteries from Walmart. These are about 100 and after tax about 130 each. Got the short ones here. Really nice. I think that's gonna work nice. That's to be replaced. I got some new terminals. New terminals on there, and it should be good. Okay, so we've got a brand new terminal. This is actually missing the little rubber insert from the battery tray. Not sure where it went, but it's missing it, and so I'm not going to put the battery tie downs until we can verify that we can get this old girl running. I'm going to see if she turns over first. Maybe I'll take the spark plugs out to turn it over. Yeah, there you go. Water in there, so not really thinking. See if this one looks like. Not really super confident that this is gonna run again. Let's see what this one looks like. Same deal. Oh boy. Yeah. That ain't good.
Good girl, Daisy. Oh, she's a good girl.
I'm gonna turn the motor over. Just careful, because I think there's gonna be a lot of water that comes out of there. Just see what happens here, family. It's not looking good so far. Let's turn her over, see what happens here. Yeah.
So gross! Oh my god, that's nasty.
Okay. Thought that was gonna happen.
That got all over me.
Oh shit. Dude, got on your hat too.
No!
That sucks. So sorry. I'm sorry about that. We
Hey, YouTuber's girlfriend.
we can wash it when we get home.
I'm gonna wash it right now.
I'm sorry about that. That's a nice hat. I bought that hat for her for Christmas. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about that. Can we...
Seems like a good time to tell you that I bought 4 Vans hats today.
Did you really?
Yes.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh
I
man,
messaged- I
I'm so
messaged
sorry
them
about
on
that.
Facebook.
I'll buy that one off you if you want. Looks really good
I
on you.
messaged somebody on Facebook Marketplace because I thought that it was in Ottawa. 4 hats for $30.
Can you film? I just want to see if I can get that engine, the water out of the engine. But you could use the zoom. Use the zoom, so you don't have to stand so close. A little hot water with...
So gross. It's all over me.
Oh, dude, come here, check this out.
Do I have to?
So yeah, that's what happens if you don't. That's water and oil.
That's what's all over my hat,
Yeah.
in my hair,
Yeah.
and on me. Why don't you just hold it and like crouch down out of the way?
Oh boy. Oh boy, folks.
Nasty.
At least dry the crankcase out. And ready? Okay, let's try and get her running. Oh shit, man.
Grand Optimist.
Oh man. Fingers crossed. All right. All right, guys. I'm not very popular with the GF right now. I wasn't expecting that. I should have known better. And the wind was kind of blowing it this way, and it went all over her, and she's not impressed. So I'm gonna throw some fuel down into the cylinders and see if she'll fire up. Maybe we can dry her out a bit, but it's doubtful. And I don't think that this key is working anymore either. I'm not hearing an audible. Jesus, yeah, this valve is screwed up too. It's in rough shape, man. She's in rough shape. Nope, not hearing anything. Usually you hear the beep. All right, this machine here is, I'm not going to go any further with this. Carb is all, carb is obviously, yeah, it's all, I think there's water in the carbs and everything. I think not sure what's going to happen with this machine, if it's going to graduate to a parts machine or what. Anyways, I'm going to call it a day on this one. This one ain't going nowhere. Just floating away. I ain't sure why that's not catching. There we go. Oh boy. Before I get in.